Good day all. Welcome back. Today we're going to do life lesson 39. Why did you get an F? Follow your dreams. That's the theme. That's the story for today. There was Stephen who used to study in a school. He was a son of a horse ranch worker. And in the school, he was given an assignment by the teacher. The teacher asked, "Can you just write down what you want in your dreams?" Stephen spent the whole night. He wrote down a 7-page dream letter. He put down the 200-acre land on which the ranch was there. He designed the place where he wanted the stable, where the race course has to be, where the house has to be, where the building and infrastructure has to be. And he knew each and nook and corner of the 200-acre farmland. And he built his dream, he wrote the dream, he designed it, he plotted it, and he handed over the paper the next day morning to the teacher. 2 days later, the teacher hands over the paper back to Stephen. Stephen on the top of it sees an F. And he's surprised. He walks up to the teacher. He says, "What happened?" The teacher said, "Meet me after the class." Stephen goes and meets the teacher after the class. And then Stephen is told by the teacher that this dream is unrealistic. You don't have money, you don't have the land, you don't have the horses, you don't have anything to build what you have created in your design or your dream. Go back, write it, give it back to me in a week's time. Stephen was disappointed. He takes that piece of paper and walks up to his dad in the evening and tells him the story. The father listens to him attentively. And the father tells him, "Stephen, this is your dream. Do what you want to do." After a week, Stephen goes back and resubmits the same paper back to the teacher. Only thing which he adds to the line below the end of his story is, "You keep the F, I keep my dream." And he walks away. Many years later, the teacher goes with 30 kids to a farmhouse or a ranch for a picnic. And there he meets Stephen, who is the owner of that ranch, the same dream, the same design. She was surprised to see, and she immediately realized that this is the same Stephen whom she had given an F years back. Before she left the ranch, she told Stephen one thing. She said, "Look, Stephen, I tell you something now. When I was a teacher, I was a dream stealer. And I did this to a lot of kids. Fortunately, you had the gumption to do what you have done today." With that, we come to the end of the story. What's the life lesson? The life lesson is simple. Follow your heart no matter what. No dream is big or too small when one works hard to live for it. With that, we come to the end of life lesson 39. Why did you get an F? Follow your dreams. Keep watching, keep liking, keep subscribing. Please switch on your notification buttons so that you will get to know when I come back again. With that, have a nice day ahead. Bye-bye. See you soon.